it doesn't matter what you're thinking on the inside, feeling on the inside. In society, we value the results. We value what happens in the real world. So don't judge your days based off of your feelings, emotions, my mindset, how I'm feeling, etc. Judge your days on, did I produce what I was looking to produce today? Did I produce, say, 5 YouTube shorts and 5 YouTube videos? Did I hit that goal? Yes or no, right? Think about what your goal is. Have a specific goal, and then your day can be optimized around that goal. Because if we're going through our day doing random stuff, we're just going through our day doing random stuff. We're not optimizing towards a goal. If our goal is to get as big as we can in the gym, right? Pack on as much muscle and size and weight, right? What are we going to do? Well, or say if we want to grow, or say focus on our quads, let's get even more granular. We want to grow our quads as much as possible, right? Well, I like to think of the principle of maximize inputs to maximize outputs. Simple as that, point blank, period. So if we want to grow our quads, do more lunges and squats. Simple as that. So take 2 people. One person did 1,000 lunges and 1,000 squats. The other person got the mindset. They were listening to their pre-workout music. They took their pre-workout, etc. They ended up chatting with a friend at the gym, and they did, 100 squats, and that's it. No lunges. The other person did 1,000 lunges and 1,000 squats. They produced heavily that day. And since they're locked in on their goal, that other person also did 1,000 and 1,000 the next day and the next day, right? So simply put, who is doing more? Right? And a lot of times it can come down to that. You can make all the case you want for, well, it's more flowy and energetic and different from that, right? Because what if the person that did 1,000, they're just like robotically doing it and like spamming reps, right? Whereas the other person is really like kind of their mindset is really engaged and visualized around the end result, right? Guys, I've found personally that latter part with the whole visualization and feeling it out and getting that momentum and that right pace, and getting that love of it into the process, it doesn't actually quite work as well as you would want. The discipline and the simple discipline and tangible effort of getting that number hit on that daily basis is actually going to beat the other person that's worrying about the mindset, worrying about how they feel and how invested and motivated they are to do it. The discipline and the real world action and real world behaviors beats out the other one. So what is this all to say, right? What's your goal? Are you not where you want to be? Let's identify where that may be, right? That discrepancy may be. And let's identify that discrepancy and then say, literally, all we have to do is maximize inputs to get to that goal. So if your goal is to make more money in your business, maximize the inputs at the top of your funnel to get more leads and opportunities, etc., to get your result, okay? And so for me, it would be something like make more YouTube videos, make more content, and run more advertisements, right? Make more offers on a daily basis, right? A lot of times we'll say, you know what, like other coaches, they'll be right when they tell you, look, guys, you're simply not making enough offers and enough asks. You have to do the 100 DMs per day, and you have to do the 100 pieces of whatever per day, right? And there's no ifs, ands, or buts around it, because when you look at a Google Sheet tracking your actions on a daily basis, and you realize, wait, I actually didn't do all 100 today. Oh, and I didn't do all 100 today either. In fact, I didn't do 100 reach outs any of these days. Now it's starting to become crystal clear. Look, man, you're just not doing the tangible actions. And I'm not talking to you guys. This is something that I deal with on a daily, weekly. This is something I deal with heavily, okay? And so these are things that I've found that I need to work on. And I think if you guys are anything like me, you might need to work on them as well. So let's focus more on our tangible outputs and tangible results on a daily basis to get to where we want to be, right? So that's one principle here. Another principle is maximize inputs to maximize outputs. Okay, so you want to make more money, maximize the inputs to maximize your output of money. Okay, so maximize your inputs of adding value, creating content, making offers. Okay, maximize those inputs, right? The person who is maximizing their reps and their sets on the bench press is going to beat the person who is not maximizing their reps and the sets and time spent under the bench press. Okay, so simply put, do more in your field. Do more right there. Do more reps, do more sets, do heavier weight. maximize those numbers, okay? It's as simple as that. It's as real world as that, okay? You don't need to worry about how do I feel, energetic, motivation, all this stuff. Discipline, hit your numbers, hit your production results daily, okay? And then you can critique your day based on that. Track your stuff in a Google Sheet. Did I do my 100 reach outs today? Great. I feel good about myself. I hit my goal, right? And that's where I think a lot of our self-esteem and self-trust and self-belief actually comes from. Competence creates confidence, right? So when you're hitting your 100 daily reach outs every day, first of all, you're going to start seeing results. So you're going to start inherently being more confident, but then you're also going to self-esteem wise feel good subliminally about yourself because you're hitting your goals. You're doing what you told yourself you would do, right? Because when you fail to do what you tell yourself you're going to do, another day went by and I didn't create a YouTube video. Another day went by and I didn't do 100 reps under the bench. That starts to eat away at you, okay? And then instead, when you go and do 100 reps under the bench, you start to feel good about yourself and you start to see results. How great is that? So do the stuff that you set out to do. Simply put, focus on behaviors, actions, and real life tangible outputs, okay? Actions over mindset, okay? And guys, that's pretty much it, okay? So what is your goal? Write it down, crystal clear, maximize the input to get there, focus and track real world tangible behaviors and actions that are going to get you there. And I promise you, if your goal is to get big in the gym and you're maximizing your calories and your time spent in the gym, day after day, disciplined, right? Doing over feeling every single day, you're going to be making really good progress. All right. I'll see you guys at the top. Catch you in the next video.